Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a fun English conversation to help improve your listening skills. Join Sarah and Zoe as they talk about their movie night plan. This video is divided into two simple steps. Step 1. Listening practice with the conversation. Step 2. A short test based on what you heard. So, get ready to improve your English and have some fun. Let's get started.
Hi, Zoe. Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, Sarah, I watched The Adventure Quest last weekend.
What's it about?
It's an action movie about friends searching for treasure.
Was it exciting?
Very exciting. The action scenes were amazing.
Who's the main actor?
James Carter, he was brilliant in the role.
Where can I watch it?
It's on Flex Movies. So, what about you?
I saw The Happy Chef last night.
Is it good?
Yes, it's a funny movie about a chef with a food truck.
Sounds fun. Who's in it?
Alice Lee. Her acting is so good.
Cool. Let's watch it together this weekend.
Great idea. Let's grab some popcorn too.
In this part, you will answer questions about the conversation you heard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!